I am Mahana, your catalyst for transformation, the secret brain hack that activates healing and ends overthinking. Oh, what is that? Ooh, your ability to switch from thinking that thinking is going to get your way out, because we've been programmed for that by survival. And instead, the secret brain hack is to be able to have the courage to connect to your heart and your feelings, your emotions first. What? Yes. That means instead of being up here, you get to come right in here and go into your body and feel. So when anything happens with you that's going on, one, can you let yourself feel? A lot of us actually close that off. I know I sure did. It wasn't safe growing up to allow myself to fully feel and express how I felt. Pretty much got that shut down a lot by the ones caring for me. So with my personal transformation, I've been able to unlock that and to reprogram my subconscious mind to know that it's safe to feel, and that my emotions and my feelings are actually my most powerful gateway to help assist me, to guide me. Yes, and it is yours too. Absolutely. So what we can offer, we'll talk near the end of the talk, is tools that can help you with this. So yes, we weren't taught a lot of this information, and now, thank goodness, this information is coming through for you to hear. And if it resonates with you and it feels right for you, let your heart lead you. So we are inviting you to pay attention to how you're feeling. That's for sure. And yes, you're going to have thoughts. Yes, you're going to have the logical mind that's going to try and explain things. And we can get lost in our minds, and it can take you off on all kinds of interesting tracks. We can make up anything. We can make up the worst scenario. That's for sure. A lot of people do that. And it's just because it's survival programs that will automatically do that at the subconscious level. If you can catch yourself when that happens, that is another huge secret hack you can do for yourself. Just catch it, just say whoop, and let yourself just say stop, breathe, and notice, okay, and you can just recognize that's just a fear tactic that my subconscious mind is still using. Would you like to connect to your love, your true essence of who you are? And the gateway is in your heart. Yes, it is. So we welcome you to your heart center. We are heart-centered beings. This is our most powerful part of us. It's the most powerful part of you. And your body is a beautiful, sacred temple. Yes, it is. And it's okay to have your mind and your thoughts be a co-captain to your heart. But can you let your heart lead? Can you let yourself feel into things and navigate that? And even if it feels yucky, even if you feel sad or shameful or guilty, worry, fear, that's just recognizing it's just a contracted part within you. Feel it for about 90 seconds. Feel it. Breathe it. You're going to learn emotional intelligence with this. It's okay to feel everything. We're meant to feel everything here. Everything is purposeful. You can feel this. You're not going to blow up, or be destroyed. It is not going to kill you or hurt you, not at all. but the fear will let you think that. That's the thinking part. Whoop, stop that. It's okay to feel. It's okay to cry. It's okay to yell or scream. Try not to do it towards someone or projecting it to them. Bring it into yourself. Let yourself feel it. Go outside, maybe by the water or in the woods, and let those sounds out. You can let sounds out. Sounds can really release a lot. However you are feeling is purposeful for you. And there's denser, deeper, contracted, heavier emotions, that's for sure. And then there's a breaking point of 200 and higher. Courage is the gateway to begin to expand to your higher levels of emotions. In time, you can get into willingness, acceptance. Letting go and surrender, that's for sure. Creativity and your reason. It's okay to have reason. You can kind of logically consider positive outcomes for yourself. And then the next big leap is your love. Your love is one of the most powerful parts within you. And then with love, that blossoming like a flower to the fruit is your joy, your peace, your harmony, your bliss, your oneness connection with your divinity. So these are levels, kind of like waves that we can be living through or going up a mountaintop, right? Or working with ourselves. You get to work with your emotions. You're meant to feel. You have a right to feel. You're supposed to feel. You're human. And you can have thoughts. Absolutely, we have thoughts. Let yourself feel more and actually quiet the thoughts. So that's where breath work comes in, and silencing and meditation and practices, yoga, whatever practices you can that work for you, find what works for you. Yes, and then I do work with the Council of Light and Archangel Raphael intimately, and we are creating an online course that's going to start in August 20th, called Find Your Sacred Way. Because when you can connect in with your sacred way within you, Yes, everything changes. That's for sure. Because you are sacred. You are so sacred. You are so precious. And you are meant to live in the sacred way and let that guide you in all the decisions that you make, which then your emotions, you can raise yourself to the higher vibration emotions that fully allow you to live your highest life. And we welcome you to this. You can do this. Absolutely. And you can definitely, turn off those brain hack thought stuff and live from your heart, live from your love, and live your highest, most abundant life. Yeah, and it's yours. Aho.